quickly. We got the Husky knee pads that I bought. Some different ones because my other ones were tearing up. So we're gonna bring these in with us and maybe put these to the test.
Sir,
Yeah.
pretty much, but that's pretty much it. And then if you need to move the bed out of here for right now, the mattress is totally fine.
Is the rug how you're gonna want it?
Realistically, yeah. I'm probably gonna push it a little bit underneath the bed. If that makes sense.
So that two of the legs are
exactly
on top
more
of it
or less.
and the other legs are off.
Exactly. Probably about like maybe I'll probably do like probably like a foot like underneath, just so there's just a little bit of space.
And where is that gonna be?
And then
going?
and then this guy, I mean, hopefully, as such, like right here,
somewhere.
Right here. Yeah, somewhere. Okay. But yeah, that's all right. Cool. That's pretty much it. Okay, cool. Sounds good. I mean, let me know if you guys need anything. You guys want water or anything like that?
Pretty straightforward. I'm good right now. I don't know if you do.
You sure?
Yeah, appreciate it.
Okay, cool. Yeah, let me know. I'm literally just gonna be working like right here, so just holler if you
All right, cool.
Do you want to break it up? Like you do something like this?
Yeah, I mean, if you want
I
to.
was gonna bring that to the hallway. Really,
Yeah, go ahead.
Just do that.
Is it fine if we assemble something out here?
Oh yeah, do your thing.
I'll push this back the right way when we leave.
I'll just do it right here.
Yeah, that's good space for it. Pretty straightforward. That might have some weight, or you got it.